Today we're going to replace the drain pump on this washing machine. Let's see how it goes.
Okay!
Alright, I'm going to tip this down.
You're going to tip it.
This is probably not the manufacturer approved procedure. What's that?
I'm not 45.
You're not 45?
I'm 4, man. I'm 4.
You're 4. It was glued together.
I'm not getting in your way.
You're not getting in my way, huh? Okay, I've got the washing machine tipped on its front side. Probably not a manufacturer recommended procedure, but down here in the front of the machine, there's a pump on this side, on the inside, that has this hose that goes all the way up to the top, to the front center of the tub, and then the drain pump is this pump over here on the outside.
Oh my goodness.
There we go. Alright, now I'm going to undo these 2 screws to be able to take the drain thing off. Ooh, almost dropped that right down in there. Now there's a clip right here I'm going to have to release to slide it out. Alright, now I'm going to release this clip and push the drain back a little bit. It should slide. Yeah, I should have enough room now. Ooh, yeah. It's dangling. Alright, I've got the assembly moved down here, out of the way a little bit. I'll unplug this. Brown on the right, black on the left. Hopefully I can remember that. Clips galore. Alright, I'll figure that out in a little bit. I'm just going to undo this screw here. Okay, there's the second screw. The third one's over here. I should have brought my longer screwdriver extension. Oh well. Now I just pop that off of there. There is the drain pump.
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to pull this plastic piece off of here.
Oh.
It's being slightly stubborn.
Oh. That's why you get even more bigger. You put it to do it. Become bigger.
There we go. Pulled it off. There's the new pump. There goes my flashlight. Let's check it out.
Flashlight. What are you trying to find in there?
Just making sure it's clear.
Making sure it's. I'm making sure everything's clear too.
Alright. I'm going to pop this cover onto the new pump. You know what? Maybe I'll screw this on and then pop that cover on. Except, what direction did I have it? There's these 3 tabs that line into a multitude of places. It could be any one of those.
What are you doing?
Any one of those tabs is where it fits in. Yeah, okay. But it looks like that and that screw hole there were...
There's a screw in there.
Plugged into. Okay, I can figure that out from there.
Is that...
I should have brought my glasses out of the top one. Okay, right there. Okay, that makes sense. All right. Plug it in there. O-ring seated. The third screw holds that cover on also. I need to feed the drain hose back through the front and slide it into the clip. Clipped. Now for the drain hose. That goes without tangling it. Right through there. And it comes in through here. That pops into there. I had a screw around here somewhere. Great. Where did it go? Seriously, where did it go? It goes right here. Happens all the time. Fingers. Found it.
Are you done?
What's that?
What are you doing?
I'm putting the washing machine back together. Why? Because I put a new pump in and now we can see if it works.
See, it works.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to get the topper back on there. We can fit a plate all the top parts together.
Yeah, that works.
Can I get it?
Can you what?
Can I get a test?
No. No, you gotta stay there right now, okay?
What? I have to get that.
Look out, little buddy.
Bring it back up. You could do it.
Thanks, buddy.
What a mess. Well, there's only one more part to go. And there's only one more part to go.
Only one more part to go.
Yes. The little one, and I'm not that one. Are not going to be the right shape.
They're not going to be the right shape. Okay, let's see if this works. Power on. Select. Does not work. We'll just go with normal. We got warm, cold. We could just go with it. See how it goes. I forgot that. Usually you're supposed to put soap in there first.
I press it. wanted to do that.
Because we gotta let it run.
It's done.
It's not done. It'll take about an hour, buddy.
Cool, there's stuff in the laundry.